Hi, darlings. Honestly, this scrumptious pocket friendly sandwich bread right here is addictive and qualifies for a special treat. Trust me. Okay? You don't have to break the bank to enjoy a good bread sandwich. Okay? Thank you. And the good news, I did this with leftover veggies. My ingredients are even screaming leftover vegetables. That's why some of them are half. Sometimes I just like to be fashionable with my presentations. You don't necessarily have to follow the patterned cutting of your veggies. Some people are allergic to raw onions. Please take out the ingredients you do not like or you are allergic to, and then simply incorporate the ones you're comfortable with. Are we good? We good. Okay. At this point, let me tell you a secret. You see those dates? I hardly would skip dates in my salads, both vegetable and fruit salads. When people eat my salads, they're like, what's the secret? There's something. And that something, I'm telling you now, is dates, soft peated dates. Come back and tell me your experience when you've used it. I'm telling you, absolutely delicious. You don't have to sprinkle any sugars and stuff like that. Introducing my luxury yellow bread. I don't need the crust of this bread. I'm going to use it for bread crumbs. Let's taste. Is it good? Okay, good. Spice up your salad as you want, and then in no special style, scoop the salad onto the surface of the bread slices and add the egg, lettuce, fresh tomatoes, chicken, sausages, whatever you want. Add them up at this point. But the idea here is that you can have a good sandwich with simple ingredients like this. Cover this up and then cut a piece of bread into two. Is it piece or slice? Okay, please, the correct one. Cut it into two and then rub butter on the side facing up. Water would do, peanut butter would do, anything that could serve as a glue. Use it and then cover the sides of the bread to form this beautiful box that I did right there. I wanted to do a regular sandwich, but then again, I thought, let me just get a little extra with the boxes. It's simple. Cut your bread slice into two. Brush with water, milk. I used butter to seal up the edges of the sandwich. That's how simple, and it holds. And now, look how gorgeous. Who would say no to this beautiful treat? Excuse me? Low budget treat. Uh-huh. Let me use this time to tell you thank you for watching up until this time. Thank you for turning on your bell notifications. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking and sharing my video. I appreciate you. Thank you. So far, so good. How do we cut this? Okay, basically, just treat yourself and your loved ones to this sumptuous things like this. Okay, I am having my sandwich bread with this plant-based milk. I'm blending it into a smoothie form and then come back to serve the bread. Okay. Oh my goodness. Your bread doesn't have to be yellow. Whatever color you have is gonna be fine. Really. And this is what we have. Oh my god. Be good always, okay? I hope to see you in my next video. Look how sumptuous on a closer look. God's blessing always. Bye.